Welcome back, and in this video we will just finish our network scanner tool, and now we will create just advanced version of this, so to make it scan our network much faster. So we will define a main function. So let me just do this, define main, and we will take a CIDR. So what is CIDR? CIDR is a IP address representation. So our users should put our IP address like that. So for example, 0 and 24. So that's what CIDR is. And we need to use our treats. So let's just import two more libraries, or even three. So import threading. So for treats, as you remember, import the queue. So to make our treats, to put our treats actually in a queue. So import queue. And I just made a mistake here. And we will import IP address. So that's it. And now we will put our results into a queue actually. So is equal queue here, and we will make a treats list for our treats. We will put our all treats inside of this list, and we will make our network IP address. So IP and network, and we will take our seeders that we will take from SIDR, actually not seeder but SIDR from our user, and we will strict this and false. So actually for IP in network hosts, yeah, so in our hosts inside of our network, for each of this IP we will make a treat. So treat is equal treating treat, and our target is equal scan, so our scan function, yeah, and our arguments are string IP address and result, actually result queue. So we will start our treat, yeah. So once again, we are doing a treat for each IP address. That means that our scan will be not by one. So our program will not go through all IP addresses one by one and wait for response. It will take all IP addresses, scan these IP addresses, and the results will put those results of scans into a queue. And then we need to append this treat into our treats list. So append treat. And for each treat, in treats list, we will make a treat join. So to make our treats synchronized. Now all clients, so we will make all clients list, and while not results queue is empty, we will make all clients extend our results queue, and we will get. And the last thing, we will just print result as our all clients. But here we need to change something, and we need to add result queue. And by the end of this, we need to actually make results queue, and we will put our clients into this results queue. So that's it. I think we didn't miss something. So clients. So here we don't need to return something. And yeah, let's create the last lines of our code. If name is equal main, we will ask about CIDR from our user. So input, enter network IP address, and main, we will take our CIDR as argument. So yeah, that's it. So if you don't know how to get actually your network IP address and scan your network, go to CMD if you're using Windows, make command ipconfig, and you will get your IP address. So you will get your subnet mask, as you can see here, and if you have like 2.55.255, 2.255, and 0, that means that you can just take your three numbers here, yeah, so 192, 168, and 1.0, and then your mask will be 24. So you are putting, instead of this number, just a 0. So that's how you can get your actually IP address. If you are using Kali Linux, or actually wherever Linux you want, you can use command ifconfig, and you will get similar. Actually, you will see your IP address, and you will be able to find your network IP. So let's try to run this code. So just a moment for our terminal. So Python 3, actually we need to cd to our network scanner, and now Python 3 network scanner.py, it should ask about IP address, yeah, 024, and we will just wait a few seconds, and it should find all hosts in my network and show us IP address, MAC address, and host name. As you can see, I have a big network here. So I got IP addresses, I got MAC addresses, and I got host names. So some of the host names are unknown, but some of them are really unknown. So as you can see, Redmi Note 8 Pro, laptop, Legion. Here's some of the routers, desktop here, Androids, and so on. Samsung here, and yeah, some of the host name we got, some of them not, because I think those unknowns are actually IOs, and it's pretty hard to find the IO's host name because they are working in another network technicus. So it's not pretty. So I tried to get a host name from IOs, but some of the IOs host names I just got, but some of them I didn't. So I decided to not put this IOS host name grabbing into this video, because actually it's not working properly, and it's not what we need actually. So that's pretty enough, and you will not see a lot of IO's devices in your network. So the most actually um, important information in network scanning, it's host names of actually routers, as you can see here, yeah, and even my router here, and some information about this. So that's why we are using actually our network scanners. As you can see, I have my router here and this IP address, so we can see if it's true. So IP config, my default gateways are 1 to 1.254, and as you can see here, this IP address is here, and we can get a MAC address. And if you know ethical hacking, you can try to exploit this router by using some of the information provided here. So yeah, that's how to create your own network scanner. And in the next modules, we will talk about port scanning, and I will show you a new techniques how to actually create your advanced port scanner. So hope to see you in the next module. Have a nice day. Bye.